Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to tie a simple party gele. That's for wedding guests. So continue watching. At first you're going to make pleats. You're going to make 7 to 8 pleats depending on your ashoke length you get. Then this is the one that we are making use of, the normal 75 with 3 joinings. So we are going to make 7 to 8 pleats, but I'll be making 7 pleats. When you're done, this is our pleats. When you're done, you place at the back of your head, bring forward and cross. And I forgot to mention the length for this one that we're making use of is 70/30. You can make do with 60/40, but 70/30 is okay. This one is going to go around your gele. This gele we are doing is very simple and easy to make. Let's say in like 5 minutes you should be done with your gele. Can you see it? Now when we are done, we are going to pin. Like, we are going to pin this one. So for you, if you want to do it, that's why I said 60/40 or 70/30, depending on the length or the size of your fabric. So when you're done rounding it, you ensure that this one goes to the back. I'm going to readjust after now. Then you take your pin and pin. Can you see it? We are done. Now you go ahead, this one. Can you see what I'm doing? You take a pleat and pin. When you're pinning, you pin to the base to ensure that it's secure. Then you repeat the same thing on this other part, but this other part now, you're going to come down somehow close to the ear. This other one, look at where we pinned. You get here, that's where we pinned. So this other one now, we are going to go close to the ear. Where you're pinning inside out so that you don't injure your client and so that your fabric is okay and strong. Then now watch how we do this part. Can you see? We're almost done. You arrange it properly, you raise it up, arrange it properly. You come over to this side. Can you see what we are doing? Now for this particular place I'm going to pin. Let me raise this thing up. So now we go ahead to arrange the back properly. Can you see it? Can you see how we did it? You see this part now, we're going to tuck it inside. Then we pin properly. Then now we go ahead to do finishing touches. I'll be back shortly, so that let me go make use of the mirror and see what I'm doing properly. And please don't forget, when you're done making your gele, ensure that you push back. I don't think I've said this in any of my videos. Ensure that you push back. Yeah, like it gives your gele beauty. You know, it brings the person's face out more. Can you see it? So I just want to go do little finishing touch, and I'll be back. Our gele is almost ready. Can't go back my days, the hearts of mine to come. Tango got my days, the actions of mine to destroy. Show me that we got there. And by the Spirit says the Lord, and I wanna say. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos so that we'll grow to a big community. And you're also free to ask questions where necessary. I'm going to answer. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please do. Don't you like it? It's pretty cool. And you can rock this to church, but mostly it's just, you know, very classy and chic for party. Yes, all these wedding parties. Yeah, you can rock this. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.